In this video, we run through a transmission service on the Mercedes 9-speed G-tronic using a Ryco transmission filter pan and the Ryco RST234 service toolkit. Ryco offers a range of transmission filter pan kits to cover all of the Mercedes 9-speed G-tronic automatic transmissions. The Ryco RTK transmission filter kit includes a transmission pan along with 2 new transmission filters, magnets, and a new gasket within the transmission pan itself. The Ryco RST234 transmission service tool includes everything required to drain and refuel the transmission properly. To complete this service, you'll also need the correct automatic transmission fluid and a compatible scan tool. Start by raising the vehicle and removing the plastic undertray to gain access to the transmission pan. From there, use the cup that's included in the service kit to undo the transmission pan drain plug. Then, insert the pipe from the kit and turn it to the correct position to drain the transmission fluid. Once the transmission pan has finished draining, the bolts can then be undone and the pan can be removed. Next, clean the mounting surface and line the Ryco transmission pan up into position. Refit all of the bolts until they just make contact with the pan. Screw them all in slightly and gently shake the oil pan so that the center hole of the transmission pan is aligned with the center hole of the gearbox. The bolts can then be tightened in the order shown here. When torquing the bolts, do a first pass at 4 Nm. Then, do a second pass, turning each bolt another 90 degrees in the same sequence. To refuel the transmission pan, remove the drain plug from the new pan and fit the adapter and filling pipe that's included in the Ryco service toolkit. From there, pre-fuel the transmission, then remove the filling pipe and adapter from the transmission pan drain hole and refit the pipe from the service toolkit. From there, you'll need to initiate a valve flushing using your scan tool. Follow the instructions on your scan tool, then once the valve flushing is complete, allow the transmission to get to operating temperature, which is between 35 to 45 degrees Celsius. Once the transmission is up to temp, turn the pipe to the correct position to drain excess oil from the pan. Once the excess oil has been drained from the pan, turn the pipe to the closed position and remove it. The transmission drain plug can then be refitted and the vehicle can be road tested. For more info on Ryco transmission service products for your vehicle, visit www.rycofilters.com.au.